All right, here's the deal. Changing a headlight bulb in a Corsa isn't rocket science, but it can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded. Uh, you need to do it when you spot that dim glow or flicker. Let's fix that embarrassment with some hands-on skills. First things first, arm yourself with a new bulb. Corsa usually takes an H7 type for low beams, and H1 for high beams. Give yourself a pat on the back for knowing this detail, like $40 saved from not asking a mechanic. A pro tip, always keep a spare in your glove compartment. You won't regret it. Safety first. Before popping the hood, ensure your car's off and the keys are out of the ignition. Trust me, you don't want a shock, literally. Make sure that the engine's cool enough to touch. No need to brand yourself with car logos. Now grab a flashlight and pop open the hood. Locate the back of the headlight unit. Think of it as your treasure map, and X marks the spot. You'll see a rubber cover or a plastic cap. That's your gateway to the bulb. Remove the cover by twisting it off gently. Some find this bit tricky because it's all about the right twist, much like opening a pickle jar. But if resistance is fierce, check your twisting in the right direction, right? Familiar pain, right? With the cap off, you'll see the bulb held by a metal clip or housed in a plastic socket. This is where nimble fingers are your best friends. Press down or pinch to release the bulb depending on your model's quirks. Pull out the old bulb with care and a little wiggle. It's like having a bad tooth pulled, no force needed, just gentle persuasion. But don't toss the old bulb away just yet. It's a good backup until the new one's fitted. Now, handle the new bulb with a cloth or clean gloves. Oils from your fingers can create hot spots and reduce bulb life, kind of like those mysterious smudges on your phone screen. Slide the new bulb gently into the socket. Secure it back in place with the metal clip or plastic holder. Make sure that it's seated snugly without a wobble. You don't want it jumping out like an amateur magician pulling a disappearing act while you drive. Replace the rubber or plastic cap carefully. Ensure it seals well to keep moisture out. A leaky headlight is the automotive equivalent of a tear in your raincoat. Bingo. Nearly there, folks. Fire up the engine and test the headlights. Step back for a proud gaze, like a parent watching their kid's first recital. If the headlight beams brightly illuminating your driveway or your neighbor's sofa through their window, you did it right. Finally, close the hood and feel free to brag about this small victory. Remember, it's not every day you score a win against the mechanical beast that's automotive maintenance. Take a victory lap or save that for your next road trip.